In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a team in ClickUp. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a brand new team set up, ready for you to start organizing work and assigning tasks. First, make sure you're logged into your ClickUp workspace. From the main dashboard, navigate to any list view. This could be an existing list where you already manage tasks or a new one you've recently created. The important thing is that you're looking at a list view so you can access the options we need next. Once you're in your list view, look for the option labeled Teams. Depending on your layout, this might appear in the sidebar or in a menu at the top of the screen. Go ahead and click on Teams. This is where ClickUp lets you organize people into groups so you can manage permissions, assignments, and collaboration more easily. Inside the Teams area, you'll see a button or link that says Create Team. Click on Create Team to start setting up a new team. This opens a simple form where you'll define the basic details of your team. The first thing to do here is type in your team name. Choose a name that clearly describes who the team is or what they do. For example, you might name it Marketing, Development, or Client Success. A clear, specific name will make it much easier to find and use the team later, especially if your workspace has many users. Next, click into the description field. This is where you can add more context about the team. After you click into the description, type in a short but informative team description. You might include the team's purpose, key responsibilities, or what kind of tasks should be assigned to them. This is especially useful for larger organizations or when new members join and need to quickly understand what each team does. When you're happy with the name and description, click on Create Team to finalize the setup. ClickUp will create the team and take you to the team's overview page. Here you'll see an option to add one member or similar wording to start adding people to this team. You can click that to begin inviting members right away, or you can skip this step for now and add people later once your structure is in place. After that, you'll see your newly created team along with all the configurations you can make, such as managing members, permissions, and other settings, so you can tailor the team to how your organization works.